golden gur from the cane we bind, leaving the green stalks behind. The bullocks wait in the morning sun. Our day's hard work has just begun. Yes, this batch is perfect. Start packing them up. Looks good. We have enough for the festival market. Yeah, pull the cane, heat the fire. Sweet Guru rises higher and higher. Counting shows batch 47 complete. 200 kilograms solid, 50 liters liquid, ready for dispatch. The equipment is running smoothly. Just monitor the boiling point closely and remember the safety checks near the main crusher.
Understood. Thank you, Supervisor.
Good morning. This is the final stage. When it snaps cleanly like this, it's ready for the hard candy jaggery. Keep the fire steady on the third one.
Yes, increasing the heat now.
Stir faster on this side, it's getting thick. We layer the jaggery with these fresh neem leaves inside the clay pot. This traditional method preserves the gur naturally for months without refrigeration. The traditional method in clay pots lasts up to 3 months. But with our modern vacuum sealing, we can guarantee freshness for 12 months. Key. Jaggery is incredibly versatile. Dissolved in warm water, it aids digestion. With ghee, it's an energy booster and we prepare these traditional sweets, tilgul and pongal, especially for the harvest festivals. They symbolize the sweetness and prosperity of our culture.
This contrast highlights the seasonal nature of jaggery production, which runs from November to April, directly following the sugarcane harvest cycle.
Demonstrating true sustainability, the factory operates on a zero-waste model. Sugarcane residue powers the plant.
The energy audit shows this biomass system is 40% more efficient. We are also integrating these new solar thermal panels for the future.
Safety is paramount here. Use the gloves for the heat and the face shield when skimming the hot gur. Carefully check the consistency. See how soft it is. That is the perfect stage. Ah, yes. I can feel the difference now. The digital thermometer confirms it, 105 degrees Celsius. The traditional cold water test shows the exact same result. It is ready. We ensure fair prices for the farmers, supporting the whole village. The quality is excellent. We can certainly agree on that price for the city market. Is the labeling complete on this pallet? Yes, sir. Ingredients and origin are clear. The fumigation cert is there too. Here is your order. Thank you. The scale is balanced. By combining the gooseberry, the ghee and the herbs with the finest gur, we create a powerful rasayana, a true elixir for health. Everything is recorded on the tablet. Here is your payment for the cane.
Much appreciated. We will be back next week.
We use the ash and bagasse from the production process as a nutrient-rich fertilizer for the next crop, completing the sustainable cycle.
All the documents are checked, including the organic certification.
Perfect. We are good to go.
The sweetness is just right.
By preserving these traditional purple and striped varieties, we ensure the genetic diversity needed for future climate resilience. Traditional methods prove resilient. Even with drought-resistant cane varieties, this factory maintains production.
Our traditional jaggery brings a rich caramel flavor to these dishes. Enjoy the warmth of gur ki chai, the sweetness. We need to speed up the molding process before it cools. Pass the next batch here, we are ready.
My grandfather started this factory with this old crusher. Now my grandson runs the new one, keeping our tradition alive. Enjoy the fresh gur, everyone! Vale, vale! Vale, vale! Keep the music going, let's dance! We drop the syrup into the water to check the consistency. See how it clumps together.
So it is ready now. Can we try it?
It is my honor to present the Best Traditional Food Processor Award. Your dedication to authentic methods is commendable.
This expansion allows us to increase production significantly. The solar array here will power the new ventilation.
This traditional boiling method gives the gur a much richer color. Yes, we use a similar process for our panela in Brazil. It is good to share this knowledge.
Here are the latest Jaggery samples for the clinical study. Thank you.
The data confirms a significantly lower glycemic response compared to refined sugar.
Here is the fresh gur, madam.
Thank you, son. May you be blessed with prosperity. This smells wonderful.
Traditional jaggery, from soil to sweetness. Pure, natural, traditional.